I miss you. And I haven't posted a video in forever. I don't think anyone really watches these anyway, but a lot has changed in my life since the last time I posted. New apartment, new start, new roommate, new everything. New Megan. Super exciting. Still working my 2 jobs. Still don't have a ton of life. But I have a social life now, which is kind of nice. I have a lot of friends that I've made through my job. Pretty cool. But then people that actually want to hang out with me. I'm kind of weird. But yeah, been pretty good. But the real reason I'm on here, Mumford & Sons CD came out yesterday, Monday. They're my favorite band in the whole entire world. And I just want to let the world know, which probably, sure, most of you already know how awesome it is and how awesome they are. I don't know, I guess Mumford & Sons, they mean a ton to me. Yeah, it's just, in college, my junior year in college, I was going through a really hard time. I was severely depressed, was super shy, had social anxiety, had a really hard time making friends, which just kind of made everything worse and made it kind of all snowball. And Babel came out right around that time, and I just kind of clung to Babel. It was what I would listen to when I was super sad. It was what I would listen to when I didn't want to get up in the morning. There were so many nights that I would lay in bed and just hope for some reason or the other I wouldn't wake up in the morning. And Babel was always there, and I could relate to a lot of the lyrics, and it kind of applied it to my life, and it really helped me through that dark period. So I'll always have this affinity, I think, for Babel and Mumford & Sons. I always loved their first CD, Side No More too, but Babel is just at the right time in my life that I needed that. And it was there when I felt like no one else was. So yeah, that's why I love Mumford & Sons so much, and their new CD is fantastic. You folks should definitely check it out if you haven't already. You should have, though, like everyone else has. It's pretty good. I mean, it is very different. Their sound has changed quite a bit. There's no banjos. They have full drums now instead of just a kick drum. Super cool though. I was really nervous when I heard they're changing their sound, but it's worked out for the best. And a lot of the songs on there I find myself already really relating to. There's one song that I listen to literally every morning while I'm getting ready and like dance around in my underwear. Super fun. It's called Snake Eyes, and it just really hits home for me right now. I don't know if they actually wrote it about, but I'm starting to feel like they wrote it about my life right now. Oh, my cat just meowed. This is Bongo. This is super cute. He's my roommate's cat, but super needy though. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well. Like I said, check it out. Mumford & Sons, Wilder Mind. Do it up. You won't regret it. It's great. But until next time, hope you all have a great day.